is with great pride and honor that I deliver this message on behalf of our Regional Director, Police Brigadier General Ruel C. Rodolfo, as we formally open the first Commander's Cup Marksmanship Proficiency Firing 2025 here at Pro 9 Firing Range, Camp Avendaño. This undertaking signifies our continuing commitment to the operational readiness, professional development, and excellence in core policing competencies. Allow me to convey a clear and resolute message of our Chief PNP, Police General Nicolas D. Torre III. Sabi niya, proficiency and efficiency in the use of firearm is very important.
Together, let us carry forward the spirit of transformation. Let us continue working hand in hand for a safer, stronger, and more progressive bagong Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang RMMP9, mabuhay tayong lahat.